In an exciting display of youthful dynamicism, Honorable Ostalo Siziba, a prominent lieutenant of President Nelson Chamisa, is making waves at the prestigious Nala FM Summit in Namibia. This influential summit has drawn together a diverse group of African leaders, activists, and advocates, all committed to driving progress and inspiring change across the continent. Sanamena mashoko atona kuti Ostalo Siziba anonoshaina, aiwa anonoratidza kuti aiwa is really a change champion munyika yeZimbabwe, is an activist. Sanamena mashoko abudanyogora kuti subscribe or like atona the bell kuti pina mwamonyi kwamchenzi. Among the distinguished speakers at the event, Namibia's Vice President Netumbo Nandi Ndaitwa, who is poised to become the country's next president following the upcoming general elections. Honorable Siziba presents alongside such key figures, underscores his growing influence on the global political stage. In a notable moment captured in photograph above, Honorable Siziba is seen with Honorable Emma Theophilus, Namibia's Minister of Information and Communication Technology (ICT), and one of the youngest ministers in Africa. Their interaction symbolizes the collaborative spirit that the summit aims to foster among the continent's youth and leaders. Honorable Siziba's participation in the high-profile conference highlights his unwavering commitment to progressive values and his loyalty to President Nelson Chamisa. Despite being recalled from the parliament by ZANU-PF proxy Sengizo Chabangu, is his steadfast support of Chamisa, Honorable Siziba continues to rise as a formidable advocate for change. Domashwa tukona kuti aiwa Siziba anonopresenta aiwa ku Namibia as an activist vakomuna roda change mu Africa, achinonyaso kuratidza kuti aiwa is loyal to Nelson Chamisa despite aiwa kurikolo kwakaitiwa, but anoramba akamira semvumba achirwira kuti aiwa nyika yeZimbabwe iwane rusununguko. Tudze mafungiro enyu muri kudipa pamusoro pechithu ichi. Kudai comment section medu, subscribe or like and turn on the bell icon.